San Fernando, Pampanga. Thank you for joining us. This is Mix Gomez at your service. Others is now, there's a block, and Dennis Santos is on the move. Dennis Santos misses. Offensive rebound. Mike Machon with the putback.
Or he goes to himself as the point of attack.
Now, he did tell me that he's not 100% in this game as Tapeño scores on the paint for Imus.
For the most part, and really, double digits, almost matic yan pag kay Sumido.
And by the way, he's been very efficient at it. Later on, we'll give you Sumido's perspective. Russ Aniban. Oh, nice pass inside against the zone. On by in the opening frame. Russ Aniban. That's Tapeño against the zone. They go to Sumido. Catch and fire. That's a three. Okay, that allows me to break down his percent.
That he gives his team very valuable.
Gonzalez. No layup, but there's the putback for Russ Aniban. How about the energy by Imus at Andre Armenion? It's Dennis Santos. Inside he goes. The feed to Nen de la Cruz.
A good move by Dennis. Committing the defense by Popovich before dumping it off.
Sumido on the other end with a three-pointer.
Hirap na hirap pumancture dun sa depensa na yun. Very active ang Imus defensively, and more importantly, tumatakbo sa kabila at pumupuntos ang fast break.
In Australia. That's
another steal.
And a breakaway layup for Richard Popovich. It's now 16-7. Bahay ng mga players nila.
Right.
A three-pointer. Oh, that is good. After all, 18-11. A badly needed conversion by Val City. Sumido will fire. That's good.
Doon ka magtataka, He's made
5 is Imus, and 1 out of 7 is Val City from downtown. Make it 2? Not yet. 1 out of 8. And there's some retribution for Val Chauca. Long way to go here. It's a 12-second differential.
Corner exit.
Alley-oop. Mike De Los Santos just waited for it, and he scores.
Yeah, very patient. Good point. Ito na dapat yung pagkakataon nila to build on this next 3 games. This is Payawal here hitting a 3 from the outside.
Obviously better for Imus, but now Val City has cut the lead down to 3. Wawi Kadir. High looper of a three-pointer. After that, he tried to play in the MPBL, but he did not end up with a team as CJ Payawal makes a second three-pointer. Rivera up top to Chauca. Screen by De Los Santos. Payawal again. CJ, that's a good look. Beautiful spin on the ball.
Yeah. And
very unfortunate. Takbo sa kabila. Mike De Los Santos. Lefty versus lefty. He hung in the air and then he scored.
Under the screen, always going over and chasing.
Payawal, another look. CJ with his 4th three-pointer in this game.
Well, he's made 3 in a row.
But words were shared. Scoring in this quarter, 14-3 in favor of Valenzuela. Tapeño, that's a tough one. Basket and 1. Chauca against that zone. They go to the corner. Martin, Muhammad.
Good pass.
There you go. The delivery on 2, Mike De Los Santos.
They're moving that ball side to side. Get that ball to the short corner and give it to the big man who's diving.
Richard Popovich answers.
Si Popovich,
Could this be the game? That continues to be our question for him as Alan Martin responds quickly. That's a turnover. Forward. Good numbers for Val City. Santos with the patience.
He's got 6 already in the game.
Oh, wow. Off the glass and in. Not sure if it was intentional. Great steal. 2+1 for Mike De Los Santos. 3-point shooting. A while ago, it's Diego na pinakasikat sa kanilang bayan. Here's Hero. Breakaway layup.
Well, deep in the fast break. Ngayon, +6 na sa fast break itong Val City. Oh, what a move.
It's Luis Tapeño bodying up.
Exactly. Good tap from behind.
Jameson Hero on the breakaway again. Nice feed to Dennis Santos. The matchup, Payawal onto De Los Santos. 2 seconds. Hero, 1 more. Dennis Santos will beat the buzzer. Oh, good steal by Jameson Hero. Just could not complete it. Sumido on the recovery. That's a 3 again.
On the catch.
That's a drive. And the layup for Russ Aniban. 3 seconds. Or to see action in the first half for Imus. How about CJ Payawal? Three-pointer number 6.
Yeah, you say how about CJ?
And here's Punzalan. Tapeño down the middle. Tapeño will score.
Yeah, good jump stop right there by Tapeño.
That's 10 points and 6 boards for Luis Tapeño so far. Martin, three-pointer again. Rebound Payawal. That's a counter steal. Good recognition by Junar Punzalan.
Good steal.
De Los Santos, forward pass. Alan Martin creating space and he scores.
CJ Payawal, hindi lang basta umaatake yan. May vision din. Nakakakita ng mga kampeng libre.
On the other end, it's Russ Aniban who scored. Great effort by Payawal. Mason, mid-range. That's a shot. Russ Aniban passes forward. Gonzalez, Tapeño, great placement. Popovic, we're down by 8. Ooh, Tapeño lost the ball. But then again, he was able to save it onto Richard Popovic. Andre drives. Remember, his strong side is his right. De Chavez, top of the key, 3.
Yeah, that's his strong side naman, yung top of the key 3. Kaya
dito sa liga ng bawat Pilipino. Up top, same angle, same result.
That's a layup for Chris De Chavez.
17 for Imus. Second gimme is short. He got his own board. It's almost as if it was scripted all along. Working with Dennis Santos. Now it's Dennis's turn. Wow. The back is open. Cross-court pass. Sumido fakes. What a feed. Oh, great find by Sumido onto Popovic.
Yeah, gotta end quarter strong here. End it with a stop.
Then De La Cruz, rebound and the putback. Service alongside Coach Mike Perez and Andrea Endiso. Fourth scoring, Coach Mike.
Well, look at that.
Three-pointer by Chris De Chavez.
Yeah, another three-pointer right there, but
18 points so far for him. This should be his best game as an MPBL player. Nice feed onto Luis Tapeño, who now has 14 points and 9 rebounds.
Right.
Are we seeing a big 3 in the making already for Imus?
Yeah.
Gian Rivera, three-pointer in front of his bench. Tapeño, he has a double-double. Tapeño on the move. Tapeño all the way. Basket and 1.
Well, that time around, talagang rewarded na si Tapeño dun. That's 15 points and 11 rebounds already for Tapeño.
And we have 8 more minutes to go as De La Cruz scores on the other end. Armenion. Numbers. Santos, 2+1.
Yeah.
Up to be a good name, so let's wait for it.
Yeah, that's gonna be interesting.
Dennis Santos with a layup.
Actually, any
1
or 6 flat, 5'10". I think so.
Feeling ko nga, pwedeng hindi pang 6 feet as Jameson Hero. Yan, anong height mo?
Yeah.
Hero again. Kick out, Dennis Santos all day. Too easy.
I guess now it's 7 points coming out of the pass of Hero.
Another steal. CJ Payawal. Here we go! Slam dunk for CJ Payawal when he was playing for University of the East. So kumbaga sanay na talaga siya in terms of having some good friends in his teams. The question is, Richard on the move. Popovic is blocked by Dennis Santos. Recovery though for Gimpayan. Abang sa kabila. Jameson Hero na pa-sidestep pa.
Literal na pick-up game on the thing.
In this season. Three-pointer, no good for Mayor Ali. But there's a recovery for Imus Aguimat. Enriquez, the pull-up, no. He passed it. Napaganda pa. 2+1 for JR Sumido. Goal for Valenzuela.
Right. Yung niche na kanya, no?
De Los Santos for 2. The lead was 26. Alan Martin onto his roller. Gotladera feeds. Hero fires. And he scores.
There you go. Bit perimeter. Maybe yung 3 points is bonus na yun para kay Hero.
Here's Gimpayan. Nice shot.
Yeah.
Ganda ng forma.
Right.
Good. Ayan na, nag-aabang. Mag-isa, sidestep ulit. Same basket for Jameson Hero. He's not bring the ball down. Big congratulations to Valenzuela. This will be their first victory of the season.